Haven't made them in a while. Today I'm making chicken thighs with olives and tomatoes. With you, super easy in a pan. I have a few little tricks to make. An exceptional dish, despite its simplicity and very few ingredients. Let's make this delicious dish together. Let's get started. So first of all, I coat the skin on chicken thighs in flour. If you want, you can easily skip this step. I do it because it creates a nice creamy sauce and the meat cooks better. Now in a pan, I add a bit of extra virgin olive oil and let it heat up. By the way, let me remind you that my 2 cookbooks are available only on Amazon worldwide. Just search for Carlo Gaiano and you'll receive them in no more than 2 days. Then I add the chicken thighs and brown them for about 5 to 6 minutes on all sides. Perfect. In the meantime, I crush and chop a little bit of garlic. Then I chop the parsley. Then I turn the thighs. And I brown them on the other side as well. Now I lower the heat. I add the garlic. Now let it cool down. As you can see, I didn't rinse it, so watch out for the salt. I add the cherry tomatoes and lower the heat. A little bit of parsley. I add the olives. A little splash of water. A bit of salt. If you prefer a little bit of pepper, I cover it and let it cook on low heat for about 45 minutes. Here we are. Now I turn off the heat and add a bit of parsley. And I plate it. Let's see. Oh my, look at this. The meat melts in your mouth. I can't even describe the flavor. Again, in its simplicity, this is truly an excellent recipe. Take it and let me know what you think in the comments below. Right now, I am hooked on it. I'll say goodbye. And before I leave you, I want to take the opportunity to say bon appetit.